Hello, this is a recording for Monday, January 19th. Today's practice is titled Candle Melt. It is designed for a soothing melt of tension in your body. So take a comfortable position, whatever it is. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels good right now. Mentally scan your body and feel your body, noticing that tension creates a stiffness, a hardness in your body. Now visualize that stiffness, hard and inflexible, like candle wax. Now bring awareness to the top of your head. Visualize and feel tension beginning to soften and melt. The scalp, face, jaw, melting. Arms and hands, melting, dripping down. All this hardness, all that stiffness, just melting away. Hips, legs, feet and toes, melting. Until all that's left is a puddle. All tension melted away. Let yourself enjoy the sensation of tension melted for a few nice, satisfying breaths. Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with more ease, reminding yourself to melt whatever tension you detect in your body. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.